everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video we have the brand new BoxyCharm Premium. Finally is here. This box is $35. It says that it will be coming with 6 to 7 items and the value of this box will be $340. Here is the box. When you open it up, it says BoxyCharm Premium. This is a similar size to the BoxyCharm Luxe that it comes every 3 months. So let's see what is inside this box and let's see if it is any good. This is the information of the box. It says BoxyCharm Stellar. So it is this blue and kind of like purple situation going on with the tin of this box. First product I see here is a Natasha Denona Bloom and Blush Glow Palette, and this is worth $55. And let me tell you, I've been having my eye on this product for the longest and I'm super glad that I didn't get it on the sale for Sephora. I actually waiting for my order to come in and show you everything that I got from the sale because I've been listening so much about this product. Other YouTubers really raving the product. The first time that I saw it, I wasn't sure if that was something that I wanted in my collection. But here is the actual product. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have seen this before because again, a lot of YouTubers have said this is amazing. And one of the reasons why I was so afraid of getting this palette was because of this blush. But I think recently see other people just using very minimal of it and not going crazy, and it just looked beautiful. Really happy and grateful I got it from BoxyCharm because obviously I saved way more money this way than getting it from any sale or, you know, regular price obviously. I'm gonna make a video very soon of brand new products that I haven't used and I'm gonna be using for the first time. So I'm gonna save this one for that video because I think this is a really nice product to try for the first time on camera for all of you. I'm going through the list and the next item that I see is a QMS Medio Cosmetics Intense Eye Care, and this is this product right here, which is very small and tiny. Is this blue kind of like container, plastic container with this chrome top. This is $150. So small. What is in here? This is only 70 milliliters or 0.57 fluid ounce. I don't understand what is in this, and I'm not gonna even open it because I don't use eye creams often. I use most likely my own moisturizer, the same moisturizer that I use on my whole face for my eye area too. So I'm gonna be saving this for my mom, and let's see if she gets it soon enough for me to answer you all the comments down below if this thing works. Because I'm not sure if this is gonna work and what exactly it's going to be doing, because it says that it's intense eye care, there is a nursing formula, but doesn't say that it's gonna do anything special for the eyes. I don't know exactly what they meant. Maybe for dry eyes, under eye people, which I kind of like have dry under eyes, but I don't think I'm gonna spend $150 on a product for my under eye when I believe my regular cream just work perfectly fine. So I'm gonna give this to my mom. I think it's gonna be a great gift, especially if it works. Next item in this list is the Koperi Coconut Rose Water Toner. This is a $25. It says that it's gonna do a lot of things actually. It says that it's vegan, it's alcohol free, it's multitasking toner to keep redness at bay, and can also be used as a face primer, setting spray, and quick refreshing touch up through the day. Sounds like really good. The only thing that I don't like is probably it's gonna have a coconut smell to it, coconut fragrance to it, and I'm not the best fan of that smell, that scent, but let's see. Maybe I try it or maybe I put it for a future giveaway, I'm not sure. But so far I've been wanting to try this brand for so long, but the coconut thing is killing the thing, you know, it's killing the vibe for me. The next product in the list will be the Dragun Beauty Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. And it's this product right here. This is something to correct the under eyes. So I think this color is a little dark for me, so I'm probably not gonna keep this one. But I think it's a nice color for somebody a little darker than me or somebody who actually had dark circles. Because as you see, I don't have makeup right now and it's very minimal what I have. It's not like something intense. And that one is worth $25. And the next items are these 5 brushes by BoxyCharm. They are worth $65. I'm not gonna touch it more than this because I'm probably gonna add it to my next giveaway. Let's move on with the final item, and it's this Becca right here. This is a Becca Glow and Glows. This is a kind of like a hybrid lip balm with a little bit of color and glow to it. So I'm definitely gonna be adding this in a future giveaway. Is this right here, super beautiful. I'm not adding it to the giveaway because I don't think it's beautiful. I just adding it because I have plenty of lip glosses right now. Right now, let's see how much this box is worth. We have the Natasha Denona $55 palette. Then we have the QMS eye cream that is $150, which you know I have my opinion about that already. We have the Corapi Coconut Rose Toner, which is $25. We have the Dragon Beauty Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion, which is $25. We have the BoxyCharm brushes, which are $65. And we have the Becca gloss that is $22. And they deliver. This is $342 worth right there for $35. Even though I'm not keeping everything, I definitely think it's worth it. Just by the product of Natasha Denona, that I'm definitely 100% keeping it. And the eye cream, I will use it if I really need it, but I don't think I do. I'd rather give it to my mom, that I think she might end up loving it more. I was having this huge makeup collection that I have. Probably all the products would be amazing for my collection if I had like a small, regular, everyday person makeup collection. But since I have so much, it becomes hard for me to decide what to keep and what not to keep, because obviously I'm a makeup lover. I want to keep everything, but I need to be conscious about what makeup stay here and what doesn't. Everything that I don't think I'm gonna be using truly a lot, or I will use to make a review or anything like that, then it should go, especially if it's something that I know some of you will love to keep and have and will use until it literally die. Do I think the difference between the $25 box and the $35 box is worth it, the change? So far, they saw me with the Natasha Denona palette. I'm gonna be honest with you, I truly believe that $25 is a nice box. Obviously, I've been using it for many months now. It's been over a year. But I think the $35 is just definitely a big jump and a nice jump. It is gonna be hard for me to decide which one I'm gonna keep, but for sure, so far, I've been loving the $35 box. This month, it's just been nice. Let's see what they keep doing. Sometimes BoxyCharm change their mind on doing great things and start going to the wrong way. But for now, I'm gonna probably keep this box for a little bit longer. And let's see what other months brings. As soon as they start lacking or making this box boring or anything like that, I'm just gonna stop. But for now, I really like it. I recommend you to switch if you have the opportunity, and if you want to get more makeup, like if your collection is small, this definitely will help you to get there and have an amazing products and try products that you might not be thinking of buying by yourself, or you know, things like $150 cream. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you like it and you enjoy it. If you did, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I make a lot of videos about high-end makeup and a little bit of fashion here and there, and I would love to have you back in my next video. And obviously guys, I love you so much, and I hope that you also follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave my Instagram handle here, and I'm gonna leave the link down below too for you to follow me if you haven't yet. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.